Hello friends, today we will learn HTML formatting elements. What? Today formatting element, okay, HTML formatting element. So here is my name, just we'll use here, just what, b tag, okay, open and close, that's mean automated. I have installed the extension. So here is the HTML formatting elements, okay. Just what's this one? This is the elements. So what next? I'm just copy and paste, okay. That's mean here is the strong tag. I'm using the strong tag, okay, strong tag. Then I'm using I tag, okay, I tag. That's mean the here is the I tag, and then I am using em. Here is the em. That's the same color and formatting. If I want to use b tag, that's mean next to next is coming. It's a back line, okay. Here's the sample, okay. Then will be mark. I hope you understand. MARK, mark, okay, mark. That's mean mark. And then we will use small tag, small, that's mean very small element, okay. Then I'm using delay tag, okay, that's mean del tag. And then I am using ins tag, okay, it's even link tag. Then I am using sub tag, and then I am using up tag, okay, sub and sup, sup, okay. That's mean it's up and okay, this is the element, okay, HTML elements. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you soon next video. Bye.